Part B first is write as a single fraction in its simplest form. Taking its LCM, which is x into x plus 1. Here it will be 1000 into x plus 1 minus 1000x equals 1000x plus 1000 minus 1000x over x into x plus 1, which is equal to this 1000x and minus 1000x will be cancelled. So this will be 1000 over x into x plus 1. Part 2. One day in 2014, €1 was worth X rand. 1 year later, €1 was worth 1 year later, €1 was worth X plus 1 rand. Winston changed 1000 rand into euros in both years. In 2014, he received 4.5 euros more than in 2015. Write an equation in terms of x and show that it simplifies to 9x square plus 9x minus 2000 equals 0. In 2014, €1 was X rand. And Winston changed 1000 rand into euros. So 1000 rand then will be equal to 1 over 1000 over x euro. In 2015, €1 was x plus 1 rand. And Winston changed 1000 rands. So 1000 rand will be equal to 1000 over x plus 1 euros. And in 2014, he received 4.50 euros more than in 2015. That means 1000 over x equals 1000 over x plus 1 plus 4.50. Now we have to simplify this equation to 9x square plus 9x minus 2000 equals 0. So 1000 over x minus 1000 over x plus 1 equals 4.50. This side simplifies to 1000 over x into x plus 1. So 1000 over x into x plus 1 equals 4.50. Now by cross multiplication, 1000 equals 4.5 into x square plus x. Now 4.5x square plus 4.5x minus 1000 equals 0. Multiplying this whole equation with 2, we will get 9x square plus 9x minus 2000 is equal to 0. So, hence proved. Part 3. Use the quadratic formula to solve the equation 9x square plus 9x minus 2000 equals 0. Show all your working and give your answers correct to 2 decimal places. Here A is equal to 9, B equals 9 and C is equal to minus 2000. So by quadratic formula, x will be equal to minus 9 plus minus square root of 9 square minus 4 into 9 into minus 2000 over 2 into 9. Minus 9 plus minus 9 square minus 4 times 9 times minus 2000 is 72,081 over 18. Now x is equal to minus 9 minus square root of 72,081 over 18, or x is equal to minus 9 plus square root of 72,081 over 18. Minus 9 minus square root of 72,081 over 18 is minus 15.42, correcting to 2 decimal places. And from this, minus 9 plus square root of 72,081 over 18 is 14.42. Minus 15.42 or 14.42. Part 4. Calculate the number of euros Winston received in 2014. Give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. In 2014, 1000 rand equal 1000 over x euros. So 1000 over x will be equal to, using positive root, 1000 over 14.42, which is 69.35, correcting to 2 decimal places. Next is question number 10. The perimeter of each of 3 shapes is 60 centimeter. Find x in each part. Part A is rectangle, not to scale. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus width. Perimeter is 60. Length is 3x, width is x. 3x plus x is 4x. 4x times 2 is 8x. So 60 equals 8x, then x will be equal to 60 over 8. 60 over 8 is 7.5. Part B. This is triangle and is not to scale. This is a right angle triangle, so its hypotenuse will be 3x square plus 4x and its square. Perimeter is 60. Now this will be 3x plus 4x plus it is 9x square plus 16x square equals 7x plus, now this will be 5x. 7x plus 5x is 12x equals 60. X will be equal to 60 over 12, which is 5. So x is equal to 5. Part C is sector, which is not to scale. To find its perimeter, first we need its curved length, which is L. This will be 90 over 360 times 2 pi x. Now its perimeter will be x plus 90 over 360 times 2 pi x. Perimeter is 60 equals 2x plus this is 90 over 360 times 2 pi is 1 over 2 pi x, and taking x as common we will get 2 plus 1 over 2 pi into x. So x will be equal to 60 divided by 2 plus 1 over 2 pi. 60 divided by 2 plus 1 over 2 pi is 16.8. X is 16.8.